Welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. This is a continuation of Python programming tutorial as you all know. And in the last class we have started object oriented programming, and there are four pillars in object oriented programming. They were encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. We have just discussed briefly about these four, and next I have created the class also. I have discussed how to create a class and what are the requirements to create a class, and next we are having a creating of object, right? So for creating an object, first we need to create a class. So let me once more create this class. Instead of creating, I'm just copying this and pasting in the code editor, online code editor, which you all know from the day one. And let me paste it. And there is some editing present here, can be done here. So yes, the editing was completed, and this is the class. And if you run this, we won't get any output, as you all know. If you if you watch the last class, then you will be knowing. And now I'm just creating the object. Creating object is nothing but this is also we have discussed in the last class, right? To get the output we need to create an object. See, the object would be, instead of p1 I'm just creating object creation of object. So instead of p1 I'm just uh, getting a person1 equals to, we have to write the method, we have to write the class name, and inside that, as you can see here, we need to give the parameters, right? Here what are the parameters we need to give? We need to give the name and age, right? um, as we are having Alice and 25, let's give that itself. Yes. After that, we need to call that. How to call it? p1 dot greet. That means person1 dot greet is a method here, so we need to call greet. See if this first line will be uh, refer to this init function, and this next one, p1 person1 dot greet, will be uh, a calling object for this method, that function. Okay. Yes, that's all. Now we'll be getting the output, right? If I run it, yes, hello, my name is Alice. And here if you add age and my age, okay, instead of my age and am, inside this you need to give age. Okay, self dot age, my am uh something years old, right? It will be giving you the correct output. Now again let me run and see. Yes, hello, my name is Alice and I am 25 years old. This is cool, right? Creating of objects is also completed, and next we are having encapsulation. Inside the encapsulation, what is encapsulation? We need to just know about it. We have already discussed the definition of encapsulation, that is binding of data and methods in a single unit, and uh, see, using private variables with double underscore to restrict access. That means, see, um, this is a class, right? This is a class which is named as bank account, and inside that we are having the init, right? Init method, and next we are having deposit, and next we are having get balance. So inside that we are having the a variable called balance. But see, in your bank account, you will be having some balance amount, right? And that balance amount cannot be known to anyone, and it should be private, and it should be, you have to hide it, right? That is not known to anyone, right? And if when you enter the pin only, you will be getting that balance amount, so you will be knowing that. So to hide that, variable, we'll be using double underscore. Anyone cannot use it, and anyone cannot view this also. So for that need, we'll be using double underscore before that variable, right? So this cannot be used by any other method, or any other class. The access will be restricted or denied. Okay, so that's the reason we are using encapsulation. See, inside encapsulation, this is a method, right? See, this is a method, deposit and get balance. These are the methods of functions, and this is a data, where data and methods are binded into single unit is called a encapsulation. So here these are binded into single unit, right? So that is meaning of encapsulation, right? So let me just try to, yes, let me just try to uh, run it. Okay, I'm removing everything and just pasted it. Yes, the editing was completed, and if you run this, we will not get any output because we are not calling that, right? So let's create an object to just call it, right? So now let me just take an object name, which is account1 equals to, we have to put the bank account here, bank account. Inside we need amount, right? Amount. So let me add some 25,000, right? And in the next line we need to call this. So account one dot, I'm just calling this deposit. So deposit. If you run it, okay. Mm, now the mistake is here, as you can see here, uh, the init method will not accept anything. So before this we have just given something, right? Some 25,000 like that. So it won't accept it. So now I'm doing this without any parameter in it. We have to create it without any parameter in it, so that you can directly do that. And inside the deposit we'll be having some amount, right? We are having some amount. Here you need to deposit some amount, have to give the amount. And now uh, just get the balance, account 1 dot get balance. Now you will be getting the output. Okay, yes, let me write here print, right? Because it is a return statement, we should write a print. It would be a mandatory one. So after running, yes, we are getting 25,000 as the amount. We have deposited it, right? So after that, if we add, okay, let me, yes. And then after this, if you again add some amount to it, then to deposit. some amount, some 2000. Then if you again print the balance of this account, let's see what we'll be getting. Oh, we have got this. Why? Yes, yes. Here I have forgotten the braces. And after running, yes, initially when we have deposited only 25,000, the balance would be 25k. And next we have added extra 2000 into it. So the balance would be 27k, right? Yes. Next, let me add somewhat extra here. The balance after deposit. Yes. And here the balance after extra deposit, right? Let me run and see whether these are, yes, these are just running and this is working out. And next, I'm just trying to add one more function here. Def withdrawal. I'm just going to withdraw amount. So self comma, here also you will be having amount. And if you go there, self dot underscore balance minus equals to amount, right? If you withdraw amount, the amount would be deducted from the balance. So now let me add this also. Okay, then I will just yes, take it down. And now account 1 dot withdrawal withdraw. I'm just going to withdraw some 5,000, right? And then I'm going to print the balance after withdrawal will be account 1 dot get balance, right? So I'm again trying to run this and we are getting, yes, yes, we are getting the correct output. As you can see, we have deposited 25,000. Then after the first deposit we are getting the account balance as 25k. And next we are again depositing 2000. Then after that extra deposit the balance have became 27k. Then after that 5k was withdrawn and then 5k will be deducted from the balance amount. So 22k was the balance now. So I hope you have understood about this encapsulation and that program which I have explained for you. And next we are having inheritance. Inheritance, I have already explained you about inheritance by say taking a real world example like um, just taking the okay just taking some of the features from our parents, right? So I hope you just remembered it. And yes, we are having a program here in inheritance. So let me just copy this and explain you without output. Output, I have given you output for every code for your reference. Because see, if you read this PDF once for, yeah, if you again read this PDF revision, then you will be just reading the code and the output will be here itself. Then you can easily think about it and learn it. Okay. Yes, for that sake I have given the output for every code I have given in this PDF. Then mm, I have just copied it and went to the code editor and just type it. Yes, this is a code which we are having in this. Yes, it is some small code. Yeah. Now I'm going to explain this. This is a class which is named animal, and inside we are having a method which is speak. The name of the method is speak, and inside we are having self, and inside that method animal speaks will be printed. And we are having next another class, um, yes, which is inherited by animal, right? And here animal is a parent class and dog is a child class, where dog is taking the features of the class animal, right? Means animal, uh, sorry, dog was inherited by the animal class animal, right? Means animal is a parent class, and dog is a subclass inside that animal. Okay. Yes. So how to write inheritance? Because dog is inherited by animal, right? So inside these braces you need to write the parent class. Then it is known that dog was inherited, right? And inside the dog also we are having the same method as animal. As I have said, the features will be same. So this this method is also taken by dog class dog, and inside that the print statement was changed, where it is dog barks, right? It is taking the same method, but the print statement it can change it for itself. Animal will be speaking and the dog barks. And let me run it. I hope you have understood about this. And this is the object. D was the object, small d, and this was the class. And next d dot speak. Now dog barks will be should be printed. Yes, dog barks was printed. And next I'm just adding another class here. Cat. Cat is another class where I'm just inherit. It is also inherited by uh, animal. And next, it is also having the method speak. And inside that, this print statement also should be changed. Cat meows, right? Yes. This is cool. And okay. And let me create another one. Cat, right? And next, c dot speak. And next, if I run this, yes, we are getting two dog barks and cat meows. And see, you will be getting the animal ones also. Equals to, now animal should be taken into consideration, and here a dot speak. Yes. Now if you run once more, yes, animal speaks, dog barks, cat meows. And next I'm going to just say you, inside inheritance we are having types. Okay. But no need up now up to here it is enough. And in the next class, when I go for types of inheritances, then I will explain more about inheritance. This is a basic need of inheritance which you need now. And next we are having polymorphism. Yes, polymorphism is the last one. And in what is polymorphism, I have already explained you. It is one interface, many implementations. I have just opened the Chrome browser, if you remember. and just shown you many things in which the Chrome browser will be used. Okay, now here we are having a example program which is method overriding. I will just say you what is this. I'm just copying it and pasting here. Yes, after this, can you just see here? This is a class named shape, and this is a class named circle. This is a child class which is what which is inherited by this class shape, and this is a parent class. And inside the class shape, we are having the method area, and inside area we have this print statement. And inside the class circle, we are having the same method area as I have said in the previous program. And inside this also we are having the print statement, but it is different from the parent class. And this is a object we have created which is area1, and this is a method. This is a so what class, and by this way, by creating an object, we are just see just printing the output. Without these two lines, we cannot print the output, as you all know. And without these lines, now I can print the output. How? By these three lines. As you can see here, yes, we are getting the output because without creating an object, we are directly creating a function, a method called which named show, and inside this we are we are having an object and object dot area. And yes, inside show we are directly giving the circle, and instead of circle, if I just add something like triangle, okay, instead of triangle, I'm just adding a square, and which is also inherited by the shape. And here I just need the area, and inside this we also need a print statement, but this will be different from that. Of square equals to, what is a side square, right? Side power, yes. Now see here, I'm just without creating separate objects for everything. Inside only uh, inside just one object we are giving all others, right? With one object we are just getting the output for everything. Yes, now we are getting the area of circle and square. This is nothing but the uh, yes, as you can see, yes, where it is gone, yeah, here. Yes, inside this the function which we have written here with only one object, that is called as polymorphic function. With this function we are going to use only one object for printing the definitions or printing the print statements of many other methods. Okay, yes, I hope you all understood and we have completed about this. And if you like this session, then do like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, which will be motivating me to do more such videos. And next we are having I'm just doing hiring videos, off campus hiring videos daily for all the batches. But for now I'm doing for 2025. Most of them were for 2025, but some of them for every batch as well, and you can watch them. I'm just giving the links in the Telegram group so that you can easily join in that. And inside the Telegram group I am giving the links for the applications of the jobs. Then go there and check it out and apply to those as soon as possible, because nowadays for 2025 batch mostly there are no job offerings at all. So utilize them, and that's it. And I'm just posting the videos also about the hirings inside the YouTube channel as well. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and join in the Telegram group as well, so that you will be getting the updates via YouTube as well as Telegram. In the Telegram I'm giving the links, and in the YouTube I'm just giving the way to apply. See how you need to apply, what you need to add, all those. So don't miss them out, because nowadays we are not having any hirings. And due to this recession period, in the future also we will not have, mostly we will not have any hirings. So make sure and utilize all the hirings which I am posting. So that's all for today's video. Let's meet in the next class. Bye bye.